So for this ALA, the first thing I did to determine which spectrum molecule A matches was to draw one line at 1500 so we can ignore the fingerprint region to the right, as well as another line at 3000 because we don't really need to pay any attention to anything above that. And then actually looking at molecule A, the first thing I noticed was that there is an ester group right here. And if you take a look at the IR chart, we see that esters show an intense peak from 1720 to 1750. And then looking at both these spectrums, I saw that there was a peak right here. And that is just like roughly 1750. So that was the first thing I noted when determining which spectrum molecule A is. And then also just to confirm that, we can see that molecule A has an alkene here, as well as alkanes here. And then if we take another look at the IR chart, we know that alkenes can peak at 1630 to 1680, which ends looking at spectrum 1, we can see that there is a rough peak in between 16 and 1700, which indicates an alkene. And then for the alkane, we know that it peaks at 2850 to 3000. And there's the edge of a peak right at 3000 on the left, and then it goes all the way roughly to 2850 to 2800. So with all those indications, I determined that spectrum 1 would be molecule A.